So we're playing Fire Simulator.
Yes, I'm getting this person to leave my tree. Stop! This is my tree.
As you can tell, Tatum is like, yeah. I'm
My
gonna
tree,
type.
it's not yours, dude, so go away.
I don't know what's going on. What you know about me? What you know about me?
Don't steal my song.
Yes, I can't. I just did. Oh,
No, that's not.
yes, it is to me. Someone's playing music on this game.
I know. Look at my headboard. My head is weird.
That's I guess. Whoa.
No, it isn't.
I don't know what else to say.
Because I need to,
You serious?
Detroit is Dante. Oh, skip. No, I want to go to the Golden Hydrangea.
Oh wow.
Okay, I'm gonna check over here and see if this house is on fire. Oh,
Oh.
there's a small part of this house that's on fire. Okay, no,
What?
was this the house you did?
What house?
This one. Yeah, this it was. You didn't do a lot good.
I didn't do that house.
Oh, well, whoever did that house didn't do good. I thought you did it.
Well, thanks for saying I do bad stuff.
No, I'm joking.
Sure you are.
Look at my headboard.
Well, good job.
What is wrong with my head?
No one knows, Tatum.
Okay, let's see if that's happening to anyone else's head.
Well, let me see your head. Nothing's wrong with your head. Oh, yeah, it's because your head's moving up and down. Oh, every head moves up and down.
I was gonna say, is something wrong with my head?
Oh. Why? Why do you do these things?
Because I do.
Why is this guy with me? He's bacon here. I don't accept bacon hairs.
Shut up.
Okay, I do.
Shut up.
You shush, girl. I'm recording a YouTube video. Be nice to viewers at home.
Okay. I don't even know. I want the Golden Hydrangea though.
Well, then you need to save up your monies.
No, you have to buy it for 250 Robux. I want the Golden Hydrangea, but I don't want to spend 250 Robux.
Well, then that's not a good idea to do that, right?
Shush.
I'm just telling you the truth.
Shush.
Never.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
There's a whole house on fire.
I know. That's where I'm at.
This one, I'm gonna burn myself.
Oh, good job.
Hey, I want myself. No, it's okay.
Is there a hydrant over here? Nope.
No.
Oh, wait, there is.
No, there isn't.
Yes,
Are
there is.
you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure, sweetie. I'm not in your place. I'm over here. Away from you.
No, I have a hydrangea right now. No, that's a golden hydrangea. Never mind.
Good job. this game, but it's also weird.
It is really weird.
So also after this video, we're gonna pick out a game to play next for y'all. So y'all, if you don't like it, I'm sorry. It's just a thing that we chose.
We chose a random game.
Yeah, we're just choosing random games, honestly. Oh, next game's gonna be really random, but I've played it before.
I have two, but it's gonna be really Stop! That's my tree! No,
Are they gonna be like the last video? Oh my god, I haven't posted it yet, but these people, they thought that I was a fake YouTuber, and then when he found out I was real, he went up to me and he's like, "You are not," and then he's like, I looked up and it's blank. I'm like, put a space in the middle of it, and then he's just like, "Oh," and then he left the
Lauren,
server.
what is this? What is that?
What?
Can I burn myself?
Hmm. Oh, you can't. I don't know if you can do it. Nope.
That's rude. So you have to go in the fire city, okay.
I don't even know what level I am. I only have 21 parts. So. What about you?
I want a new backpack.
Look, my head can move up and down too. Wow.
That's amazing. Although mine moves up and down more.
So that means you have more bone there. That probably because I'm flexible.
Oh wow, there's a whole mini house on fire. Cool. Not. I want to do the first person. What? I already forgot. Hydrant, you are being terrible to me. You're being so rude.
You'll live.
Shush.
No.
Yes.
No, you need to shush because I did nothing to you and you're just acting like a brat.
Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
This is not.
Well, then it's bratty.
Shush.
Never.
You're being rude.
No, I'm speaking truth. No, that's rude.
Yeah, because you are
Mm-hmm.
being rude.
This is how friends speak in the new days. Everyone like just gets mad at each other and then they start fighting.
Shush.
And like,
What? That was a tiny window. Okay. But okay. What? But what? This thing? Oh.
look out, 'cause here I come. I'm watching. I'm not scared to be you. I make no noise. Make sure that You weren't allowed to whack me because that's just plain out rude. Yeah, but when you rebirth, you need 25 million coins, which I'm not even close.
I'm not gonna do it.
A storm. Oh, there's a storm.
I wanna burn myself.
I don't want storm.
But why can't you get what? Why can't you if you touch fire?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Those are game passes. So I need to go to the shop and get maybe some stuff. Tanks. Basic extinguisher. Llama. Oh my god. There's a Twitter code for llama. Come on, I need that thing. It'd be amazing. Join Jester Studios.
Where is the shop?
Oh, it's 2,000, 6,000, 20,000, 100,000. I'll get that thing. And then let's exit the shop and then go back. And my thing looks poisonous. Oh, these things. I have, this is 15,000. 15,000. 7,000. You know what? I'll get the godly host. Okay. So this is my stuff. So I look, okay, let me put my head up. Oh my god, I look, okay, there. So I got my godly hose. Yes, oh, okay. This thing looks so weird. Look at my hand.
Oh, very cold.
And then my poisonous, okay, I don't care.
That's bad.
Then my poisonous hydrant.
No, thank you. I don't.
Oh, it's only 750.
100 million for a gold card. That's just.
Yay, Tatum. You should get the one that I have. Because then the green poisonous looking thing.
What thing?
The green poisonous looking extinguisher.
Oh, I'm doing this thing.
Ooh, there's trees. Oh, I'd get a better backpack if I were you before a better weapon. Oh yes. Oh jeez, it goes fast.
I'll wait for this one.
I'll be getting lots of monies. But I will also be getting a better weapon. Take me to a hydrant.
I'm getting a better thing. Not a better thing.
You should get the godly hose. It's a good one. Especially for 7,000. But I'm totally getting a better weapon. Because I need a better weapon. Well then get it. Where did you get the godly hose?
I got the godly hose.
Hey, you know what? You will be making money easily.
Okay.
Take me to a hydrant.
Take yourself.
It already brought me to one.
Okay. This dude is falling. Probably to this building that's pretty much on fire.
Oh wow. Anyway. Oh wait, I forgot. I haven't even got my godly hose out. Doesn't my extinguisher look poisonous? It looks toxic.